Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 2, fifth chapter, final account. Students, the previous video I explained few questions from your illustrations. Now in this video I want to do one complete sum from your exercise. According to your textbook, the exercise practical sums, it is started from page number 191 of question number 6, but question number 6 and 7, question number 6 as well as the question number 7, it is very easy. That same like that, the illustration 4 and illustration 5, that you can understand from your textbook only. Let me do a complete sums which is started from the question number 8 of page number 193. Once again I want to repeat page number 193 of question number 8. I have drawn the format. This is your format of trading account. Here you have to make the format debit credit trading account for the year ended 31st 3/15 in the books of RK Stores. Here it is given in the books of RK Stores trading account for the year ended 31st 3/15. Particulars amount. This is profit and loss account. Particulars amount. Profit and loss account for the year ended, and this is your balance sheets. Before doing posting, first we will do the posting. Before doing posting, let me read 1 minute with the questions, what is given, what is not given. After that we will do the posting from top to bottom. Gross profit, it is given first gross profit, then salary. All of you know gross profit, profit and loss account, credit sides, salary, general expense, tax and insurance, sundry debtors, closing stock, bank overdraft, commissions, advertisements expenses, then interest, furniture, building, motor car, capital, drawing, bad debt reserve, loan, creditors, bills receivable, bills payables, carriage out or discount given, discount allowed, GR, general reserve, cash balance. एडजस्टमेंट देखने तो सैलरी, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, कमीशन, इंटरेस्ट कैपिटल, डिप्रिसिएशन, डेटर्स, बैड डेट, बैड रिजर्व, ट्रांसफर. कोई भी एक आइटम नहीं है जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में इफेक्ट करेगा, इसलिए ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाने का जरूरत नहीं है. वी विल डू द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट्स. So though I have drawn the trading account, there I will cancel it and I will write it here. Instead of trading account, I will write it here profit and loss account. Now together we will do the profit and loss account here and balance sheet we will do it here. So this one I will cancel it. In the middle what I wrote that is not required, so we will cancel it. All this one from this page from top to bottom is the profit and loss account. Now we will do the posting one by one, which one will go where. But before that, we will mark the place: salary, insurance premium, commissions, then interest on capital, interest on drawing, depreciation, furniture, building, motor car, debtors. These are the items which we have to mark it here, but I am not marking. You will mark it and you will write in the inner column. We will do the posting first. First, gross profit 3 lakh. We write it here first by gross profit. Transfer from trading account 3 lakh. Next is coming salary 54,000. Salary का adjustment है, तो we'll write it here to salary 54,000 inner column. Next, general expense, we can write it here. इसका साथ कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है, तो 6,600 आउटसाइड्स. नेक्स्ट, टैक्स एंड इंश्योरेंस. टैक्स एंड इंश्योरेंस का साथ एडजस्टमेंट है, आई थिंक सो, यस. टैक्स एंड इंश्योरेंस which is coming 7,200 to tax and insurance, which is coming 7,200. Next is coming sundry debtors 1,20,000. Here you write sundry debtors 1,20,000 because sundry debtors के साथ adjustment है. Next is closing stock 13,200. Yeah, balance sheets. Next we are getting bank overdraft 6,000 liability. Commission credit, population credit. Adjustment is given, I think so. Commission के साथ. Yes, याद है. Commission credit is 9,000. Advertisement expense 9,000. To advertisements expense. Adjustment is not there with advertisements expense, so this is also 9,000. Next, interest. To interest, it is how much? Interest is 3,000. But which interest it is not said, whether interest on capital or something else, that we have to see. Interest is given how much? 3,000. This 3,000 interest, whether you write in inner column or you will write in outer column, that depends on interest which is given, that you have to check it. Understand or not? Just 1 minute, let me check it. Just wait. Though it is not mentioned clearly, so you have to think it is here. This interest which is given of interest, how much it is given interest? Interest it is given 3,000. 3,000 interest is given, no? Just 1 minute. 3,000 interest and interest to interest on paid 14,280. This interest, it is not, as it is not mentioned, the interest on capital or interest on loan or anything else, so we are writing in outside here. Okay. Furniture 48,000. Assets, adjustment is given, for that we are writing in inner column. Okay, this is furniture. Next is getting building, एक लाइन छोड़ के क्यों एडजस्टमेंट इज गिवन. बिल्डिंग इज 1,80,000. नेक्स्ट यू आर गेटिंग मोटर कार, और लाइन छोड़ के, जगह नहीं होगा तो यहाँ लिख दो. मोटर कार 60,000. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट यू आर गेटिंग कैपिटल 1,42,800. Next you are getting drawing 6,000, inner column. Next you are getting bad debt. I am writing it here. How much? 6,000. No, bad debt is 3,600. Okay, 3,600. दिस इज 3,600. नेक्स्ट बैड डेट रिजर्व डिडक्ट होगा, तो यहाँ से ऐड होगा, यहाँ से ऐड होगा, बाद में यहाँ से लेस होगा. बैड डेट रिजर्व 6,000. लोन लायबिलिटी हाउ मच? 24,000. Creditors, liability 12,000. Bills receivable, assets 3,000. Okay, bills receivable 3,000. Next, bills payables 9,600. नेक्स्ट, कैरेज आउटवर्ड यह आएगा 4,000. डिस्काउंट अलाउ मतलब गिवन मतलब डिस्काउंट अलाउ, but it is discount allow. How much is given? 3,200. डिस्काउंट रिसिप्ट इधर आएगा 2,400. नेक्स्ट, जीआर मतलब जर्नलिज्म 30,000. नेक्स्ट, कैश बैलेंस is your assets over, posting is over. Now we will do the adjustment. Salary was paid up to 31st 12/14. Keep it mind. Salary 54,000 you have given it here, and adjustment it is given. Salary was paid up to 31st 12/14. तो इसका बाद और कितना मंथ बाकी है? दिसंबर तक पेमेंट हो गया, जनवरी फरवरी मार्च 3 मंथ बाकी है. तो दिस अमाउंट इज फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? दिस अमाउंट इज फॉर 9 months. Is it correct? How do you understand? The amount which you paid, that is not for 12 months, that is up to December. Up to December means from April to December. If you count April to December, you will get 9 months. April, May, June, July, August, October, November, December. 9 मंथ का 54,000. तो एक मंथ का क्या? 6,954 मतलब 6,000. तो 3 मंथ का 18,000. सो एट आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी हाउ मच? 6,000 इंटू 3 मीन्स 18,000. अभी 6,000 होगा तो 3 मंथ का 18,000 होगा. 18 होगा तो एक मंथ का 6,000 होगा तो 12 मंथ का कितना होगा? 72. देखो 72 आ गया. 8 से बढ़ दिया तो 1 6 के साथ. दिस फर्स्ट इफेक्ट. सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल कम सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग. हाउ मच? 18,000. First is over. Second, 1,200 being insurance premium for the year ended 30th 9/15. देखो 1,200 इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम जो पेमेंट हो गया उसको ईयर एंडिंग हो गया 31st 9/15. 31st 9/15 मीन्स अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर 6 मंथ. बिकॉज मेरा ईयर एंडिंग होता है कब? 31st 3/15 मार्च में. 31st 3/15 मार्च में. मार्च 15 तो अप्रैल से काउंट करो. अप्रैल से सितंबर जाओ. अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर मतलब 6 मंथ. 1,200 6 मंथ के लिए एडवांस हो गया. दैट मीन्स 600 इज इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पेड इन एडवांस. 7,200 you have paid tax less prepaid 600. 600 if you deduct you will get 6,600. First effect. Second effect, insurance premium paid in advance. How much? 600. Got it? Next I am getting the third one. Commission 2000 is receivable. Add with commission. Commission यहाँ है. Add commission accrued. 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 How much? 2000. मतलब 9000 मिल गया और 2000 मिलने का बाकी है. And this is your assets. Commission receivable 2000. Capital 10% interest. Calculate 10% interest on capital. 10%. Add interest 10%. तो 14,280. इसका 10% आता है 14,280. And it will go to the profit and loss account debit sides. यहाँ लिख देता है. To interest on capital 14,280. Next you are getting 12% interest on drawing. Add interest 12%. 1272 मतलब 720 आई थिंक सो. 720 यहाँ ऐड होगा और इट विल गो टू द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स. बराबर 12%, 720. Next you are getting calculate 5% depreciation on furniture. Furniture less depreciation 5%. 10% होता है 4800 तो 2400. 5% होगा 2400 जाएगा तो 600 होगा. चलो 14 1 3 और 5 8 मतलब 45,600. और वो यहाँ आएगा टू depreciation on this is furniture of 2,400. Next you are getting 10% on building less 10% depreciation 18,000 होगा तो 8 2 10 1 2 6 1,62,000 और बिल्डिंग यहाँ नेक्स्ट यू आर गेटिंग 20% ऑन मोटर कार लेस. मोटर कार कहाँ है? यहाँ है. लेस डिप्रिसिएशन एट द रेट ऑफ 20% मतलब 12,000 जाएगा तो 48,000 और यहाँ जाएगा मोटर कार. यहाँ कितना आएगा 12,000 तो 18 12 30 32,400. बराबर कि ना हो गया. अच्छा 20,000 राइट ऑफ फ्रॉम द डेटर्स 20,000 राइट ऑफ 50% फ्रॉम द डेटर्स. डेटर्स कितना था? डेटर्स था आपका हाउ मच वाज द डेटर्स 1,20,000. 1,20,000 वाज द डेटर्स नो. सारी डेटर्स कितना था? हाँ 1,20,000. अभी बैड डेट इट इज गिवन द फ्रॉम द डेटर्स 20,000 राइट ऑफ 50% मतलब फ्रॉम द डेटर्स 20,000 राइट ऑफ 50% मतलब 50% इज द बैड डेट आउट ऑफ 20,000. मतलब आपका डेटर्स था 1,20,000 का अंदर 20,000 का 50% बैड डेट हुआ मतलब आपको कुल मिला के बैड डेट हुआ 10,000 लेस बैड डेट 10,000 और यहाँ आएगा 1,10,000 और वो 10,000 जो है यहाँ ऐड होगा. ऐड बैड डेट ये देखो टी ए 10,000. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन 5% बैड डेट रिजर्व. इसका 5% लेस बैड डेट रिजर्व, इसका 5% कितना होता है? 5,500 होता है, आई थिंक सो 5,500 ही होगा। यस ना, 5,000 होता है, 1,10,000। ओ, इसका 5,500 नहीं होगा, इसका 5,000 होगा। क्यों? 5% जो कैलकुलेशन करना है, नाउ विल नॉट कैलकुलेट 5% ऑफ 1,10,000। वाई? बिकॉज आउट ऑफ दिस 1,20,000 वी हैव मेड सेटलमेंट विथ 20,000। 20,000 के साथ 10,000 बैडेड हुआ और वो 10,000 पैसा देगा। बाकी जो है 1,00,000, 1,00,000 का ऊपर 5% कैलकुलेशन करना है, इसलिए 5,000 होगा। तो 1,00,000, 5,000 इज द लेफ्ट एंड 5,000 यू हैव टू एड इट हेयर। बैड डेट रिजर्व ए बी 5,000, तो 10,000 5 15 तो 18,600 माइनस 6,000, तो कितना हुआ? 12,600 आउटसाइड्स। If you calculate it, you will get 12,600. Next, you are getting provide 2% discount reserve. इसका ऊपर 2% discount reserve, less discount reserve 2%, मतलब 1,05,000 के ऊपर 2% if you calculate, you will get 1,900. And if you outside 1,03,100, it will go outside 1,03,100. That will go outside. So clear it. And this 1,900 which is there, if you discount allow, if you have written anywhere 3,200 आपने लिखा था, 3,200 उसको साथ ऐड करना था, तो ये 3,200 will write it here and we call it here and we add discount reserve on debtors 1,900 and you will get 5,100 outsides. Next, 10,000 to the general reserve. यहाँ से लिख दो कोई जगह जहाँ खाली है, to general reserve, that to transfer 10,000. And if you had general reserve here, okay, you are having general reserve, so this amount I am cancel it and I am writing it here. General reserve posting was 30,000, I think so. Posting was 30,000 and add addition GR कितना? अगेन 10,000, 40,000. No more thing. Now immediately I will not close the profit loss account. First I will check the amount which you wrote in inner column, whether it has been transferred to the outer column or not, except capital. कैपिटल छोड़ के बाकी सब अमाउंट बाहर चला गया कि ना देख लो। यहाँ तो कोई अंदर नहीं था, ए बाहर चला गया, ए भी 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 गया, ए गया, ए गया और ए गया, ए गया, हो गया, सब चला गया कैपिटल छोड़ के। नाउ आई डोंट हैव कैलकुलेटर, फ्रॉम द आंसर आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू just I want to check it from your book, the amount which I wrote, debit as well as the credit, all amount it has come or not. 3,02,400, 3,02,400, 720 और 11,000, चारों अमाउंट आ गया। If you add it, you will get it here 3,14,120. I am write it here 3,14,120. And if you deduct this all amounts, let me check it: 72,000, 600, 6,000, 6,600, 9,000, 4,000, then 5,100, then 3,000, then 14,280, then 32,400 and 12,600 and 10,000. All I got it. So if you get it, the balance, you will get net profit. Transfer to capital account. And if you get the balance, you will get 1,38,540. That is your net profit. And that net profit you have to add with capital. Transfer from profit and loss account. 1,38,540. If you add, you will get here 2,95,620. 2,95,620, and you have to deduct 6,720. 6,720, and you will get outside 2,88,900. Capital, international capital, profit. This you are getting addition of 3, and these 2 you are getting where? Deducting, and final amount is here. Now we'll check it. 288,900, 24,000 is here. We are checking the answer. 6,000 is here, 9,600 is here, 12,000, which is 12,000? 12,000 is the creditors. Yes, I got it. And general reserve is 40,000. We got it. And 18,000 is the salary outstanding. We got it. Correct. And asset side we will check it. Asset side we are getting 45,600. Correct. 1,62,000. Correct. 48,000. Correct. 13,200. 13,200 is the closing stock. Yes. 13,200 is the closing stock. And cash balance 21,000. Correct. And here you are getting 1,03,100, then 2,000, then 600, and then 3,000. Everything we got it. And if you add 298,500, you will get both the sides. 298,400, not 98,500. 2,98,500. Here we will get 2,98,500. Both the sides. This is a complete sums I have done. I tried in my level best to make you understand. Once again you go through the questions as well as the answer. If you have any doubt in any place, you can tell me. I will try to make you understand once again. This sums trading account was not there. For that I have drawn first trading account, but it was not required. For I cancel. So I started from the profit and loss account. This is the profit and loss account debit sides, and this is the profit and loss account credit sides. This is the balance sheet liability side and balance sheet asset sides. First I have done the posting from your trial balance. Before that I mark it. The adjustment it is with whom. That amount we wrote in the inner column, where plus minus will be done. After that we have done the adjustment one by one. Every adjustment you might have seen the 2 effect are coming. Okay. Once again you watch this video. At any place if you do not understand, you will tell me. Okay. Bye. All the best.